से लेस देन कंप्यूटर लिए. See again, read the question. Computer dealer sells computer at all following rate. What are the rates? 31,500 per computer for less than 20 computers. It means if user is purchasing 1 to 19 computer, suppose user is purchasing 2 computer, so how much amount he has to pay? He has to pay 31,500 multiplied by 2. अंडरस्टूड. पर कंप्यूटर का मतलब क्या होता है? एक कंप्यूटर का कॉस्ट इतना है. अगर 10 परचेज किए तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. ओके. देन द सेकंड कंडीशन 31,000 per computer for 20 to 39 means if user is purchasing means quantity, if the computer's quantity is in between 20 to 39 ना, तो फिर उसको कॉस्ट जो पे करनी पड़ेगी 31,000 के अकॉर्डिंग पे करनी पड़ेगी पर कंप्यूटर. अंडरस्टूड. इफ 40 से और मोर देन है देन 29,000 के अकॉर्डिंगली उसको पे करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ उसके आगे भी कुछ है. क्या बोलते हैं वो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. देखो. राइट ए प्रोग्राम टू टेक द नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स and years and input and display the bill. means क्या क्या मुझे इनपुट कराना है? नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. ओके. मीन्स कितने उसने आर्टिकल, कितने कंप्यूटर, कितने आइटम परचेज किए. दैट इज आई हैव टू बी इनपुट. एंड एक और ट्विस्ट आ गया, एंड ईयर्स. और मुझे ईयर्स भी ईयर्स भी एंटर कराना है इनपुट. एंड डिस्प्ले द बिल. अच्छा, उसके बाद भी कुछ लिखा है. अ कस्टमर गेट्स अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 15% इफ ही इज डीलिंग विद द डीलर फॉर मोर देन 5 years. यस, ईयर का रोल देखो. अभी जैसे मैं डीलर के साथ पिछले 6 सालों से उसी से कंप्यूटर खरीद रही हूँ. इफ आई एम इनपुटिंग द 6 years तो मुझे वो जितना भी अमाउंट कैलकुलेट होगा उस पर भी 15% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. That is the question. That is the thing. Sometimes we go in the showrooms and we are purchasing that Reliance almost giving this type of offers. That if you have purchased 2,000 rupees items or the 5,000 rupees item, then after the discount you will get 500 rupees worth of 500 rupees what to say cashback, or the worth of 500 rupees coupon to be discounted in the next purchasing, next shopping. Okay, तो उसके accordingly अगर 15% मुझे फिर से मिलेगा if I am dealing with the dealer more than 5 years. So how many input I has to do? 2 input. Okay, so see, public static. Write this program with me quickly. First of all, I will take the number of computer. So int comp, you can declare other variable also. Then int years, right? Then here, if computer comp less than equals to 20, right? So what I have to do? 31,500 multiply by number of computers. Okay, so here I have to declare one variable. Okay, that I will do computer year, number of computer, what is given, rate. Okay, I will declare rate, rate, rate equals to 0 because it is integer. Okay, so rate will be, okay. Then second condition we are going to form in the else if. Okay, so computer greater than, it is not equals to, less than, it is mentioned on less than, so we will not write equal over here. Here we will write 20 less than equals to, now I cannot write like that, and less than equals to 39. Okay, I will use the variable in both the expression. in this expression also, in this relational expression also, right? Then the computer rate will be 31,000. So rate will be 31,000 of per computer, means multiply by of the number. Then else if 29,000 between 40, okay, greater than 40. So computer greater than and equals to 40. Then the rate will be 29,000. It is very easy to do. See, once you understood the question, then it is easier to write. Because now you all know how to write the statement for particular thing. Now, this is the rate which is to be paid. But here, what is the thing? Again, see that input display bill. Okay, a customer gets a discount of 15% if he is dealing with the dealer for more than 5 years. So means here what I have to check? If year greater than, more than 5 बोला है, greater than equals to, not equals to, only greater than 5. Okay, more than 5 बोला, equal भी नहीं. Then he will get the 15% discount. So उसका rate क्या होगा? Rate equals to rate multiply by 15 divide by 100. इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 0.15 also you can write. Okay. And again, I'm not using any extra variable. In the rate only I'm doing it. Okay. If this condition is true. See here, I'm not writing the else part. Okay, else I'm not writing here. Then system dot, because no need of else. System dot out dot println amount to be paid plus rate. That is only. Now let's check. Suppose I'm purchasing only 10 computers and I'm dealing with 1 or 2 years only. Okay, 0.5 I cannot write here because this rate is the integer. So okay, divide by 100. Okay, because it will going, now calculation mistake will not be there because rate will be multiplied by with the 15 because the multiplication is coming first. So in this case it is okay. Now execute it. Number of computers 10. Number of years, suppose 2 years only. So I'm not going to get the 15% discount. Just 31,500 will be multiplied by 10. See that 31,500 then 10. So 10 is there. Okay. If I'm dealing with the more than 5 years, okay. Now see. 10 computer I have purchased and I'm dealing with the 6 years. So 15%, 15% discount. See that discount. 47,250. नहीं, ये wrong हो गया. That is wrong. See, now the rate is what? 15% आ गया. But what the amount I have to be paid? Amount, what I have to pay? Rate minus this. Okay. So rate minus ye. Now it will be. Okay. Suppose if here I am purchasing 10 computers. So I have to pay 3,15,000, right? Okay, but discount I'm getting 47 something, 47,000 something. Okay, then that discount must be deducted. Yes or not? Like the last question, amount to be paid is what? Cost minus discount. So this is your cost, rate is the cost, and this is your rate multiplied by 15. This is your discount. Okay, now see. Here I'm purchasing 10 computers and I'm dealing with the dealer with the 6 years. Now see this much amount, 2,67,750 rupees I have to pay. Now my answer is correct. Okay.